Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. After WTT has answered to Fan Zhendong, he is not happy. Fan Zhendong replied on Weibo, "I have just read the WTT statement carefully. In line with the principle of rigor and respect for international organizations, I would like to add a few simple words." Breaking the silence, Fan Zhendong and Chen Meng take a stand against WTT. Fan Zhendong, one of the greatest modern table tennis players, has made his feelings about the World Table Tennis WTT organization crystal clear. In a statement that oozed politeness but delivered a decisive blow, Fan addressed WTT's new penalty rules for non-participation. His measured words cut through the fog of WTT's narrative, shedding light on the struggles top players are facing under its regime. Fan's statement, polite yet ruthless. Fan's response to WTT was simple yet powerful. He confirmed that he was informed about the new penalty regulations only recently, despite WTT's insinuation that such rules have been in place for years. He clarified, "I'm not sure when the relevant content of punishing non-participating players first appeared, but I'm sure that I have never been officially informed that I will be fined for withdrawing from the competition." He further noted that the official notice about stricter penalties came just last week, leaving him and others scrambling to adapt. Fan's subtle jab at WTT's lack of organization was a masterstroke. My personal guess is that WTT has not yet formed a complete schedule before the end of this year. The bigger picture, a conflict beyond WTT, while WTT's handling of fines and schedules is problematic, Fan's statement hints at a deeper issue within Chinese table tennis. The conflict between Fan Zhendong, Chen Meng, and the Chinese Table Tennis Association, CTTA, reflects a generational and ideological shift. In recent years, younger players like Wang Chuqin and Sun Yingsha have been pushed into the spotlight. These rising stars, while talented, have become the face of a new, entertainment-focused era of Chinese table tennis. Fan and Chen, despite their Olympic victories, seem to have been sidelined in favor of the younger generation's marketing potential. Chinese media outlets, reportedly under direction, have shifted their coverage towards Wang and Sun. This pivot, critics argue, prioritizes internet clout and ticket sales over athletic merit. For die-hard fans of the sport, this feels like a betrayal of the game's true spirit. The double standards. The disparity in how players are treated under WTT's rules has not gone unnoticed. While Fan and Chen have faced penalties for withdrawals, younger stars appear to have more leeway. Injury reports can be easily obtained to skirt penalties, creating an uneven playing field that further fuels resentment. Simon Gauzy, a French table tennis player, has also criticized WTT's fine system multiple times this year. His voice, combined with fans, highlights a growing discontent among international players. A shift in loyalty. For many Chinese fans, the handling of Fan and Chen's careers marks a turning point. Once ardent supporters of Chinese players, these fans are now rooting for international stars like Felix Lebrun, Truls Morgaard, and Tomokazu Haramoto to challenge China's dominance. The sentiment is clear. WTT and CTTA's treatment of Fan Zhendong and Chen Meng is not just a disservice to these athletes, but to the sport itself. Final thoughts. Fan Zhendong and Chen Meng's polite but firm criticism of WTT speaks volumes about their character and love for table tennis. However, their statements also expose cracks in the Chinese table tennis empire. WTT's mismanagement and CTTA's favoritism have alienated some of the sport's most dedicated fans. As the drama unfolds, one thing is certain. The voices of players like Fan and Chen are not going to be silenced. It remains to be seen whether WTT and CTTA will address these issues or continue down a path that risks losing the trust of players and fans alike. For now, the battle is far from over, and the future of table tennis hangs in the balance.